How to use subscribe and save on Amazon. Want to save money on recurring purchases? This guide shows you how to use subscribe and save on Amazon so you can save time and money. First, find a product that is eligible for subscribe and save. You will see a subscribe and save option on the product page under the add to cart button. You'll also see the discount that you will get for subscribing. Tap on subscribe and save option and you'll be able to select the quantity and delivery frequency. You can choose to receive the item every month, every 2 months, and so on. Once you've selected your preferences, tap on set it up now. You can manage your subscriptions from your subscriptions menu in your account. You can change the quantity, delivery date, and frequency. You can also cancel a subscription at any time. It's a great way to save money and time. You now know how to use subscribe and save on Amazon. Get ready to save money and time. Like and subscribe for more app tips.